What's up guys, hello in my next video, which will be a passenger POV driving of this 320 diesel E92 coupe car with a nice red interior, manual 6-speed, 177 horsepower stock. So guys, let's go, and I hope you enjoy being my passenger guy. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. DST of these nice gloves you can buy in the link below. Really nice leather, so they really empower and enrichen your driving experience. Okay guys, this coupe is really nice, balanced. Yeah, it doesn't have the power of the big 6-cylinder engine. It's made for, after all, for fuel economy, but it's still good for a starting car on such curvy roads. After all, the weight distribution is so nice in that coupe, so it can't be bad. The brakes bites good. The steering is really direct. Not much body roll without suspension. You feel the limits. The car is telling you, I will drift in a second, so you know that. I will not drive to my limits here because I don't want to push that car too much. It's not mine after all, and of course I haven't been used to driving it, so we'll keep 2 levels below the limit, and I suggest you do the same when you drive. Always think ahead. After all, we are not on the track, we are just simulating the feeling, and we're just having fun. The rear tires do their job, they just steer. The rear end just powers the car. The best combination, guys. Better. Turn, but I have to know if there is a car, because if I drift, yeah, it didn't drift it after all. With that engine it's safe enough. The engine is not so big and it's not playing a big role as a brake, so you use the brakes pretty often. E36 is great for that too, but E92 is just one idea better, more refined, although it feels a little bit heavier. I don't know if on paper is, but it feels like, well, now if I had enough power I can overtake, but that's dangerous here, guys, because if someone is driving like me, I'll have very limited time reaction. Don't worry, we'll overtake it. Just looking for a nice, comfortable spot. After all, you're weight, you're fat, my passenger, and you're 150 kilos, so it's not accelerating like I'm alone. Yeah, you should consider that. Weight reduction, bro. Well, here is a straight, no problem. No need to rush. Let's leave for the engine and the brakes. Little time. Okay, guys, and here is the straight. Full throttle. Bye bye, Mercedes. I also get a nice acceleration and good speed on that straights. It feels really, really good, but here it's somehow more scary in that car. Yeah, I may be approaching with the same speed, but it's completely different when you're in such lower car. It's much more like go-kart feeling, so it's actually more rewarding and more scary, more adrenaline. Of course, I'm sure that the car is very stable too, but it's not the main thing. Okay guys, thank you for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed this E92 series, which I really enjoyed too filming. Hope you subscribe and see my next driving videos soon, my next cars and the things we do. Thanks guys, stay healthy and drive your car with all the joy. Life is too short to drive boring cars, but every car can be entertaining if you choose it for you, for your purpose. Okay guys, bye.